French toast here at the Young's house. Today I'm going to show y'all how I make a ton of French toast sticks. I make French toast sticks ahead of time. I throw them in the freezer bag, and anytime my family wants French toast, guess what we do? We pull them right out the freezer and heat them up, and they taste just as good as the day you made them. Yes, that's what we're doing. I hope y'all are having a great day today, and if you're not, hopefully I can brighten up your day with this here recipe. Who loves French toast like we do? Baby, when it comes to French toast, pancakes, and waffles, I want to know what's your favorite. Mine's is French toast. Mine's is definitely French toast, and then I guess I would say pancakes is second, waffles would be last. But let me hear from you. What I use to make delicious French toast every time. Gonna need you some milk. You're gonna need some eggs. I'm using 3 large eggs, okay? Gonna need some butter in this pan. There's a little tiny bit of oil. Okay, so I have some cinnamon. I also have some Chinese 5-spice. Chinese 5-spice is delicious. I put it in desserts. It's just the greatest. It tastes just like allspice. So now if you don't have allspice and you have this, use whichever one. They both taste the same. Clear vanilla. You can use the brown vanilla if you want to. And some bread. I got some beautiful wheat bread we're using today. The weather like where you all are at. I want to know everything. All of the fun things you've been doing this summer. Let me hear everything. All of the places you've taken the kids since they've been out on summer break, or have you? Are they just sitting at home driving you nuts? Or are you taking them to get out and doing special things with them? I want to hear everything. I want to make a lot of these because my family goes through French toast sticks like that. Let's go ahead and make up our mixture for our delicious French toast. I never measure the milk, y'all. You don't have to, okay? So just get you some in there. Any kind of milk, honestly, will do. And just don't use buttermilk, you know. I have to throw that out there because some people, ooh-wee. All right, we're gonna put 3 eggs in here. I'm making a lot of this mixture here because I'm doing a whole lot of French toast sticks today. So what we're gonna do, let's go ahead and put us some vanilla extract in. You don't have to measure the vanilla extract either. Just get it in there because it smells good and it tastes good, right? So now I get absolutely wild when it comes to the cinnamon. I think about French toast, it should have that cinnamon taste, right? That nice warm taste, kind of like the holiday dessert taste. And the Chinese 5-spice. It tastes just like allspice, super delicious. Get you some in there. We're gonna whisk this up. There's sometimes that I'll make this mixture. I'll put you a little bit of like maybe 2 pinches of sugar in there if you wanted to, but you don't have to. It's so important that when you take your bread and you dip it into this mixture, don't keep it in the mixture too long. Otherwise, you're gonna have French toast that is soggy. We don't want that. Watch how quick you have to do this. Doesn't matter if you're using a Texas toast, that real thick bread, you're still gonna do a quick dunk, just like this. Get it coated, take it out. Let it drip, for real, y'all. And then we're gonna put it right into the pan. That sizzle right there means we're moving in the right direction. And trust me, you'll know when it's time to turn them because you're gonna lift it up. Not right now. You lift it up right now, the bread's gonna stick. At some point, you'll be able to lift it up, see if it's nice and golden brown, and you'll start to smell toast, you know. Let's turn them over. They smell so good. Ooh, look at that one. Oh yeah. Cute. Dip another one and get it right into the pan. Looks like I have enough room. Even though we put cinnamon in our mixture, I always like to top it off with a little bit extra cinnamon. There we go. It smells so good in here right now. The perfect breakfast to go with your French toast, fried ham in the morning, scrambled cheesy eggs, and French toast sticks on the side. These 2 right here are ready to come out. And so what I'm doing is I'm putting them on a cooling rack in a cookie sheet just so they can drain, you know, because we do not want greasy French toast sticks, right? Let's get some more going. Oh, it smells so good. Let's get this one out. Let me check it first. Oh, yeah. I already sprinkled some cinnamon on it. And then we're going to check in on these 2. Not quite ready. See how you're able to kind of, you know, look at it. I need a little bit more oil because some of the bread has soaking up that oil. I don't want the next couple ones to stick in. Give it a nice shake right into the pan. I added that extra oil. Oh, I'm so excited for this. Go ahead and sprinkle some cinnamon. All right, and give those 2 a flip over. Just like that. Oh, yeah. Tell me these French toasts don't look absolutely amazing. Perfect. Tell you what I'm about to do. I got one more French toast to make, but I done found some ham in the refrigerator. We're going to turn around and fry it and get it nice and, ooh, we're about to get it nice and crispy, because one of these French toasts will not be turned into French toast sticks. I'm about to have me some breakfast. Fry ham. I really wanted to get a nice golden brownness to it. And I find that using butter gives me that color. When I use oil, it don't fry up like I want it to, you know? So I have about a tablespoon of butter here. I don't want to use too much. Okay? And we're going to put this ham down. I'm not going to pick it out this pan until it has that golden brown color. I told my husband, I said, baby, I'm about to eat me some of this French toast right now. He said, throw a lot of ham in. That's what I'm about to do right now. Fry my ham up. Let's go ahead and set our French toast here so we can turn it into French toast sticks. Now here's what I do to make my French toast sticks. Super easy. You got dippable French toast sticks. Dip it into the syrup. Oh yeah. You got French toast sticks for every single day of the morning. Once you, make sure you let them cool down before you put them in the freezer bag, like you just have to. And then throw them into the freezer. And it's so much better than purchasing the ones that they give you, you know, because they taste better. And you season yours, you know. You put vanilla extract and the cinnamon and you just got, it just tastes better. You hear me? There is a lot of times where, if I have it, the Texas toast, that thicker toast, is awesome to make French toast sticks with because it's much thicker. But this does the same thing and tastes just as good. For the people out there that don't like syrup, you can do like my dad likes. My dad loves to put powdered sugar on his French toast and some sliced strawberries. It's a beautiful combination. You can do that for your waffles or your pancakes. I just have the syrup here and it's nice and hot. Turn my ham over. It's getting good. Oh, my ham pieces right out. Look at that. That is how I like them. Ooh, yum. If you wanted to, you could put a little bit of syrup on these as they cook. Baby, when I tell you, tastes like a honey baked ham is what it will taste like. Oh, yes. There you have it. French toast sticks. Made for any day of the week. Just go in the freezer, grab out as many as you want. Y'all, I love making these ahead of time. It's so much better than the store-bought. If you enjoyed today's video, give me a thumbs up. If you ain't subscribed, what you waiting on? Tell your family and friends. Tell the world what Gina Young's doing in this kitchen every single day. And Father, I thank you for what you've done in my life, what you're getting ready to do, your hedge of protection, your love, time, your mercy, and your understanding. Taste. I'm all excited. First thing I'm doing, I'm taking my ham. I'm about to dunk it in that hot syrup, y'all. Oh, yeah. French toast stick. A little messy. Ah.